Hello Berkeley's ultraviolet runner from the Bronx here, and welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the important aspects of footwork and boxing. Footwork is a fundamental skill that every boxer should master to improve their agility, balance, and overall performance in the ring. So let's get started. The first key area to focus on is your stance. A proper boxing stance provides a solid foundation for your footwork. Stand with your feet shoulder apart, with your lead foot slightly turned inward. Keep your knees slightly bent, tuck your chin, and have your dominant hand in the rear, non-dominant hand in the front, and distribute your weight evenly between both legs, making your body a small target. This balanced stance allows for quick movements and effective weight transfer. Part 2, basic movements. Now let's talk about the basic movements. These are the 4 fundamental movements in boxing: forward, backward, lateral side to side, and pivoting. Practice these movements to improve your overall footwork. Forward movement. Step forward with your lead foot, maintaining balance and keeping your rear foot in position. Backward movement. Step back with your rear foot while keeping your lead foot stable. Lateral movement. Side step to the left or right, maintaining a low stance and avoiding crossing your feet. Pivoting. Rotate on the ball of your lead foot or rear foot to change directions quickly. You want to make sure to avoid the opponent's punches or counter punch. In order to do that effectively, you want to step to the outside, then pivot, or step to the inside, then pivot. Part 3, angles and cutting off the ring. Understanding angles and cutting off the ring is crucial for ring control and effective footwork. By moving at the right angles, you can create openings for offense and avoid your opponent's attacks. Cutting off the ring. Anticipate your opponent's movements and strategically position yourself to limit their space. Move laterally and close distance, forcing them into the corner or against the ropes. Angles. Use angles to create openings for your punches. Pivot and step to the side to attack from a different angle, making it harder for your opponent to defend. Part 4, defensive footwork. Defensive footwork is essential for evading punches and slipping out of your opponent's range. Here are a few defensive footwork techniques to work on. Slipping. Move your head and upper body to avoid incoming punches while keeping your feet grounded and ready to counter. Bobbing and weaving. Bend at the waist and move your upper body in a weaving motion to evade punches, all while maintaining a solid base with your feet. Angle changes. Employ quick angle changes to throw off your opponent's timing and evade their attacks. Part 5, combination footwork. Lastly, let's discuss combination footwork. Combinations are an integral part of boxing, and proper footwork enhances their effectiveness. Step and pivot. Step forward with a punch and pivot on your lead foot to generate power and create angles for your follow-up strikes. Step and slide. Step forward with a punch and slide with your rear foot forward, allowing you to maintain distance or close the gap for a combination. Step and angle. Step to the side while throwing a punch, creating an angle that makes it challenging for your opponent to counter effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering footwork and boxing from the comfort of your own home or local gym. Remember, practice is key to becoming proficient in these techniques. With consistent training and dedication, you'll improve your footwork and take your boxing skills to new heights. Stay tuned for more boxing tips and techniques. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Keep training hard and see you in the next video. Peace and love, everyone.